Hey everyone, it's Laura. Let's make some mini books. First things first, I provided some images of book covers in your supplies. If you don't like those, go on Canva, which is a free website, and you can download some book covers, put one facing correctly, one facing upside down, and a little space in between them, and then you have your own book covers that you've made, and you can print and do custom books. Very, very fun. I've also provided for you some blank paper that you just want to fold in fourths. So fold it in half again, flip it around, do the same thing, and then you're going to cut it out according to the diagram you have in a zigzag pattern. If your books the custom books you make end up being a different size than the books that I gave you, you will need to trim your paper down. That's fine, it's not hard, just when you find that you have little pieces of paper hanging over the edge of your book cover, just cut them. Once you have your paper cut in that spiral, you can put glue on the front, back cover, and then down the spine on the inside of your book cover and put them all together. You can either put a heavy object on top of them, or you can clamp them with a binder clip of some kind, up to you, whatever is easiest. So when you're cutting it in your spiral, cut up to the top and the round, always leaving one page uncut so that you're not actually cutting these books into pieces. Then accordion fold them all around like so, and you've got your books done. There are a lot of different ways to do this. You could just use loose paper. It's more likely to fall apart if you do that. And if you want a TBR jar, you can just grab any jar you have, any glass you have, decorate it if you want to, throw all your mini books inside it, and as you pull one out, it will tell you what book you should read next, which is fun. No making decisions then. The book jar, the TBR jar, makes the decision for you. Anyway, I really love these. I'm going to end up making a ton. So have fun.